All right, today I am standing in front of Taylor Morrison's newest development in all of Great Park, Lily. And so let's take a look at the 3 different floor plans they have brought to market. But make sure you stick around. At the end of the video, we will cover Lily's pricings and how it competes to other resale as well as new construction in the area. Go over where I think this product's value is headed in the future, and even talk about some other new construction that is coming to this very area. All right, starting with the Plan 1, it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home that sits at 2,081 square feet. Entering through the front door, you have a nice entryway and a downstairs bedroom. It is accompanied by this hallway bath, which will also serve as the powder for downstairs. And then it enters into this very modern and open concept floor plan. As you can see, the living room has more than enough space for entertaining, but is also great for those cozy nights at home. And then the dining room is kind of just situated in the middle of this open concept floor plan, and it leads to the beautiful kitchen. Every home at Lily will come equipped with GE monogram appliances and real wood cabinetry. However, the homes do not come with this refrigerator. Buyers will have to pay for their own refrigerator after close. And as we make our way upstairs, the biggest downside I see with the Plan 1 is that it does not have an upstairs loft. So we will start in the primary bedroom, which gets a ton of light in the model and has more than enough space. The ensuite bath has dual vanity sinks, a large soaking tub, stand-in shower, as well as a private toilet room, and enters into this oversized primary closet. Making our way out of the primary suite and into this hallway area, we will first take a look at the upstairs bathroom, which is for both of these additional bedrooms. Starting on the left, you have a queen-size bed in here, which sets the scale. The other bedroom is actually been styled with a nursery, so you can tell it's maybe a little bit smaller in size, and these 2 bedrooms will be separated by the laundry room, which does come with a sink as a nice feature. Next door, the Plan 2 is a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home that sits at 2,522 square feet. As you enter the front door, once again, gorgeous hallway on entry, and you do get a downstairs bedroom. A little bit larger in the Plan 2, but the biggest upgrade is that it does come with an ensuite bath. That also means you get a hallway powder bath, which is a huge add-on for when guests are over. You enter into a very similarly styled living room, modern, open concept. This time the living room is kind of pushed off to the left, which I like. On the Plan 1, the stairs kind of intersect through it. Same thing, dining room kind of floating in the middle of the floor plan. The kitchen on the Plan 2 is shown in this nice white cabinetry, but the biggest difference is that you do get a walk-in pantry as well. Hustling our way up the stairs, once you get to the top, you are greeted by this oversized loft area, great for movie nights or a place for the kids to do homework. Heading into the primary bedroom, maybe slightly larger than the Plan 1, with the king-size bed in here, more than enough space still. Same side-by-side vanity sinks, large soaking tub, and stand-in shower. However, the primary closet is maybe a touch smaller in the Plan 2. As we make our way out of the primary suite, we will first take a look at this upstairs hallway bathroom. It is not shared, it serves for the 3rd bedroom on its own. 3rd bedroom here is staged as an office and is maybe a little bit on the small side. Heading into the 4th bedroom, nicely laid out, and you do get an ensuite bath. So it's so amazing that not a single bath in this home has to share a bath. And then last but not least, the laundry room. The Plan 3 is a 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home that is 3,009 square feet, and upon entry there is this lovely flex space here onto the right. And although it is easy on the eyes, it could be turned into something that brings more value to this home. As we enter into this downstairs bedroom, after escrow, you could open up this back wall with a contractor, creating a downstairs junior master or multi-generation suite, which would hold a lot of resale value in this area. Once again, powder bath on the right, and we enter into a very familiar downstairs layout at this point. Living room is tucked away here on the right, similar to the Plan 1, just slightly larger. That dining room, once again, is centered in the middle of the room, and this time on the Plan 3, they showcase the kitchen in this lovely satin gray cabinetry, GE appliances on the wall, and as a second reminder, that fridge does not come included. But what does come included
is this large walk-in pantry. Making our way upstairs, once again, you get a beautiful oversized loft at the top of these stairs. More than enough space for any activity up here, and I do really like how Taylor Morrison staged that wall to be a homework area. Making our way into the primary bedroom, all primaries throughout these 3 floor plans are very similar in size. You can see more than enough space next to the bed with those large bedside tables. Moving into the bath, side-by-side vanities, soaking tub, stand-in shower, private toilet room, and once again, large master closet. And I love the look you get of the bedroom while leaving these baths. But as we make our way into this hallway area, we will first take a look at this hallway bath, which is going to be shared by these next 2 bedrooms. This first one is maybe a touch smaller on size, and that is why it is styled with the bunk beds. Next door, the bedroom is maybe slightly larger and shown with this full-size bed. And the 5th and final bedroom is definitely the largest of these supporting, and it does even come with its own ensuite bath. Once again, last but not least, making our way down the hall to the laundry room, which comes with a sink.
All right, before we can jump into what I like to call the fun stuff, which is comparing Lily to other new construction, as well as resale homes in Great Park, there are a couple of key factors I think we need to cover that play a large role into Lily's overall value. The first is going to be property taxes. Being located in Great Park comes with amazing amenities and an overall beautiful community, but it also comes with a cost, which is higher property taxes in Melrose. Lily will have the same base tax rate as the remainder of Great Park, which is 1.051%. And as for Melrose, which is based off of your home square footage, that will range from $9,435 up to $14,136 a year. If we look away from property tax and into HOAs, Lily's HOA will be $260 a month, which is actually relatively low for Irvine and Orange County as a whole. The second factor is location, and Lily is located in a southern section of Great Park in an area of the community I am referring to as Parasol Park 2. Right now, if you were to look around, there's a lot of undeveloped land surrounding it. However, that's about to change. Across Great Park Boulevard, developer Almquist is starting to break ground on a future shopping center, which will feature a grocery store and open-air shopping experience. This much-needed shopping center is not the only thing coming to this section of the land. There will also be more housing, which honestly I think will help this part of the community as it will give it a more residential feel. As of now, it is planned to be more attached and detached condominiums that will have a more modern look. If you're interested in knowing who the builder of this development is going to be or which restaurants and stores are already approved for the shopping center, please feel free to reach out and I'm happy to share. Last, but certainly not least, is potentially Lily's biggest selling point, which is school district. It is zoned for Irvine Unified School District, and students will attend Cadence Park K-8 and Portola High School, which is important because that is something new construction in Luna Park can't say, as it is no longer zoned for Irvine Unified School District. Now that we have gotten all of that other information taken care of, it is time to dive into pricing and seeing how Lily stacks up against other new construction in Great Park, as well as some resale homes. Looking at current pricing, the Plan 1 is currently being offered for just under $2.2 million, which comes out to $1,053 a square foot. The Plan 2 is starting at $2.29 million, which breaks down to $908 a square foot, while the Plan 3 is being offered for just under $2.5 million, which equates to $829 a square foot. When comparing Lily to other new construction in Great Park, there are definitely some cheaper options. In nearby Luna Park, Lennar is selling a very similar product that is starting at $1.579 million, which breaks down to $762 a square foot. However, keep in mind this is in a less desirable section of the community, and more importantly, it does not get those Irvine Unified schools. All right, well, how does Lily compare to resale homes in Great Park that have that same school district? The short answer is it's more expensive. However, that shouldn't come as a huge shock, as historically we do see a slightly higher price for new construction homes as buyers are willing to pay that premium to be in a brand new home. However, I didn't expect the gap to be this wide. Over the last 180 days, there have been 12 two-story detached homes that sold in Great Park. The lowest price sale was 217 Wicker, which closed for $1.75 million, and the most expensive was 218 Radial, which sold for just under $2.7 million. Between those 12 sales, the average sales price came out to just under $2.1 million, and the average price per square foot settled at $801. One of the biggest factors in Lily's higher pricing is how successfully it has been selling. At this point, they have sold about half of the community, and from the first phase into what they're selling now, we have seen prices increase by $150,000. And a lot of that is thanks to constant high levels of demand for this product, allowing Taylor Morrison to increase pricing each phase they release. So, will we continue to see prices increase at Lily in the future? Well, unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball, but if we take a step back and look at the factors surrounding this community, I think we will continue to see its value increase. There is obviously a high level of demand for these more traditional detached two-story homes in Great Park, and with the overall future development of Great Park, I think we will see a lot more people wanting to call this section of the community home. So if you're interested in Lily or would like to know what other areas of Great Park or all of Irvine I would be buying into right now, please feel free to reach out. If I don't hear from you, I look forward to getting to bring you the next new construction breakdown. Cheers.